Don Moody here, handymanreality.com, soon to be condorenew.ca. I came into this apartment and there was no dishwasher. There was a space for a 24-inch refrigerator. Countertop ended. So once I had checked some of the electrical, I found that there was a plug-in on the other side of the room that was on a low usage breaker. And there's a refrigerator plug-in right here, which just became the dishwasher, so to speak. So I put in a GFI, ground fault interrupter circuit in there, receptacle, pardon me, and I dropped the wire down so I could put in a dishwasher. I amended the end of the cabinets with a little bit of work just to fill in where the space would be, because the space was much larger than 24 inches. Found that there was an outlet in a stupid place with no GFI, so created that at the same time, sort of thing. I ended up going down here and I replaced the valves with ball valves, just because they'll last me like 20 years and I won't get any headaches out of it. I cut in a connection for the drain for the dishwasher, and I also installed a valve for the dishwasher on the hot line. Because I'm a cabinet away from the sink, which is not where a dishwasher is supposed to be, it should normally be right beside the kitchen sink. That just wasn't possible here. This cabinet space was too small. So because I'm there, my hose was a little too short to give me a high loop back down to the drain, which is a requirement for a well-functioning dishwasher. So luckily Home Depot sold a 2-foot chunk of a heater hose and a dishwasher connector I could put on there. I added in a little bit of copper pipe on each end to make the connection, and a million gear clamps on both sides. Again, make sure that I don't have any troubles in the future. So we've ended up with a brand new countertop. The dishwasher looks like it was here all along. And now we have a dishwasher where there never was a dishwasher before. So thank you very much. This has been Don Moody, handymanreality.com and condorenew.ca. Have a great day.